But what advice would you give to someone struggling to find their true self? Like in the theme, like in the song itself, diba? The themes of self-reflection, ganun.
Maybe don't be afraid to make mistakes. Kasi that's, yun yung magpapa-ikaw sa sarili mo. Like, for me, yung imperfections ng mga bagay-bagay, yun yung nagpapa-unique sa mga tao. Like, naalala ko yung may movie si Robin Williams, yung Bicentennial Man ba yun?
I have not seen this.
So, para
Shout out
siyang robot na nag-transition sa maging human. And merong scene doon na from robot, tas lalagyan na siya ng human flesh. So, parang, tas yung scientist doon na nilalagyan siya ng skin, sabi sa kanya, parang, to make something, para maging human, kailangan yung mga imperfections. Kasi yun yung magpapa-unique sa'yo. Yung ilong mo na tabingi, yung kilay mo na hindi pantay, yung tenga mo na may hiwa, yung buhok mo na medyo kulot, yung buhok mo na straight, yung skin mo na dark, light, or kahit ano. And yun, feeling ko.
I love that. What's the, do you know what it's called? Sorry?
Bicentennial Man?
Yeah. I
Good
mean,
movie. Gusto ko nga i-rewatch.
Amazing. That's the advice, guys. Don't be a robot, essentially. But I mean, that's what basically what it is. Don't be a robot. Be yourself. That's all it is.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.